Lawn care. You know what that means. Time for another episode of Dino Machines. You're right. First of all, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to the channel. It's nice to see you. How you doing? I don't know. I'm doing okay. We need to talk about this here wagon. Okay. So, as you know, it's our 93 240. It is a turbo swap. Did the whole thing from a 940. Didn't go so well, so we went independent, or we went standalone ECU. Once we got standalone ECU in there, had to do all the wiring. Never did that before, and it's kind of where we're at now. It's not great. This guy, or I should say, the guy behind the camera, didn't do a great job with some wiring. We have some other things to do, like the exhaust. Those of you that have been watching for a while, you've seen this exhaust sitting here in the mess. Yeah, that's for this car. Actually, it's from a 940, but it's supposed to go on this car. And we got to throw it on there. Also, we have a transmission mount somewhere. It's probably in this box. Oh, transmission mount. That was easy. Wonder if that's the right one. We'll soon find out. So, yeah, let's dig into this 93 240 turbo and see what we can do. Okay, let's have a look under this 240 and see what's going on. Alright, a little bit crusty, as you can see by the rust over in here. Oh, IPD springs. Comment down below if you remember the IPD Sport Springs video from a few months ago. What do you think? What are you doing? Huh? What's that? 373? Dang. I think that's what, the 1041 whatever woohoo axle. Who knows? Oh, of course we put some sweet tires on this sucker that barely don't fit. I can barely get my finger in there, but I assure you there's at least a 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/2 inch. That's like 13 millimeters for any of you folks who work with the Imperial units. All the way up in there is our exhaust that we got to do. And oh yeah, motor mount or transmission mount, whichever one. We should probably get into that. Otherwise, looks pretty good up in here.
What you looking at, bro?
Yeah, maybe we won't mess with that guy. Yeah, this thing looks pretty good. This is a little bit crusty. Of course, the trailer hitch. Great for towing the boat, which we don't need this guy because we have a Volvo Amazon with a trailer hitch, if you remember.
Petridge Farm remembers.
Huh. Alrighty, well. Oh yeah, last weekend we did the fuel pump and fuel filter. And now that the fuel system's rebuilt, let's chuck it in the car. So that's good to go for another 100,000 miles. Let's move forward, I guess. This should be as easy as slapping some stuff together and hoping for the best. Because that's what we do around here. Hope and pray to God it works. Well, looks like our exhaust is not gonna work. I don't know if you can see that, but our cat converter needs to sit flat, but it hits the frame rail and it shoots right at the side of the tire. So Yeah, it's not gonna work. Darn. Yeah, this is a fucking challenge and a half. What the hell? Well, there it is. That's probably fine. We'll just leave that. Huh, that actually works all right. Now I just gotta, yeah. Okay, now that our custom stock exhaust is installed, looks like we need to modify it further by just cutting the sucker. Right there. Should be good. Let's do this. Got the old Milwaukee. Oh yeah, that's gonna do nicely. See if we can keep it under control though. Oh, perfect. This is how every, oh, excuse me, my point. This is how every 240 exhaust with a turbo on it should look. B230s sound amazing, straight piped. All right, let's continue. Oh, I don't have a 90 to throw on there, so this project's done. So this is the transmission cross member. And of course, the broken transmission mount right here. Cross member has to come out, so we have to support the transmission. So let's jack it up. Put you over there. There, how about that? Maybe you're in frame, maybe you're not. Schrodinger's Volvo work. Yep. Truth of it is, this car, yeah. I spent an hour messing with the transmission mount and I cannot get it to line up. And it doesn't seem to be going very well, which is okay because all of that footage is corrupt for whatever reason. Bought the iPhone so I could do nicer videos, and here we go, corrupt video. Anyway.